in Shillong a couple of days back. This is unfortunate and it should not have been happened. So Shillong is not the city of somebody. Shillong is the city of our own, our everybody. It's my responsibility and yours. It's everybody. I mean, responsibility to keep Shillong safe and a peaceful city of the in the country. So I think something happened and it will directly impact on the livelihood of our people, the economy of our people. Suppose if there is a militants, the violence in Shillong, Shillong is one of the what you call the most focused, targeted destination of the tourists of the country and even from the abroad, the global level. So we should the testimony of the Shillong should be one of the peaceful city in the country. It's a beautiful, like uh, apart from Simla, apart from Kashmir, Shillong is apart from Sikkim. Shillong is the fourth city where such kind of wonderful environmental climate is there, where everybody wants to come to Shillong for the good environment, for the good climate, for all these reasons. We are both Khasi, Garo, Jainte people, the inhabitants of this beautiful state. We are good, we're people of good hospitality. We are good in welcoming our people. This is our culture. We are proud of it. So, but having such kind of things, balance, blown blast, is very important. It should happen also.
Whether these
Will happen, effect. So, look, who is earning? The people from Assam, West Bengal, Delhi, Gujarat, America, Japan, the tourists outside the country or the state is coming to the Shillong. They are not here to stay forever. They're here just coming investing. They will buy our product. They will have food in our restaurant. They will have food in our kongso. They will have tea anywhere, like in Cherrapunji, right? We don't have any farming. In Sora, we don't have any what you call any cultivation, any mining area, right? The bread and butter is on the flow of the tourists. If something happens in Shillong, tourists will not come to Shillong and to the state. It will directly affect the economy of our people, of the rural, and especially both in Shillong and entire state of the entire state. So therefore, it will definitely affect. Therefore, I strongly condemn this incident, but I also would like to urge those people, individuals who might be in hands. Remember, it is your responsibility also to give to what you call to present your city, your state, which you have been born here to protect, preserve, and to promote.